Hello and welcome. In this video, we're covering the content at a high level. If you'd like us to dive deeper into any specific topic, let us know in the comments, and I might create a video just for that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe to support the channel. Ever wondered what really happens when you press the pedal in an electric car? Let's break it down. Imagine you're in your electric car, foot hovering above the accelerator. The moment you press down, something cool happens. No fuel injection, no revving engine. Instead, a sensor right under your foot, known as the pedal position sensor, springs into action. This sensor sends a digital signal straight to your EV's motor controller, the car's brain. It instantly figures out how much torque the wheels need based on how hard you're pressing the pedal. If you want to glide slowly in traffic, it sends just a little. If you floor it, the controller's ready to deliver instant power. Now the battery, usually tucked under the floor, gets its cue. It releases a precise amount of energy. But here's the thing, it's all in DC, or direct current. Electric motors, though, run on AC, alternating current. That's where the inverter steps in. The inverter is a high-speed switchboard, converting DC to AC thousands of times per second. It controls both the frequency, how fast the motor spins, and the amplitude, which determines the torque. Next stop, the electric motor itself. Whether it's a permanent magnet or an induction design, it starts with copper windings in the stator. When AC power flows in, it creates a spinning magnetic field. That field interacts with magnets or currents in the rotor and bam, the shaft starts to spin. You've got pure rotary motion, but it's not quite ready for the wheels yet. Most EVs avoid multi-speed gearboxes. Instead, a single-speed reduction gear takes the high-speed, low-torque spin of the motor and converts it into slower, stronger rotation. This makes the power perfect for actual driving speeds. After the gearbox, power travels to the differential. The differential splits the torque between the left and right wheels and lets them spin at different speeds, crucial for smooth turns. Finally, drive axles with constant velocity joints deliver that torque straight to the wheels. Those axles flex and move with the suspension, keeping everything smooth and efficient. So what just happened? Your foot pressed the pedal, and in milliseconds, a sensor sent the signal. The controller calculated torque. The battery delivered DC. The inverter flipped it to AC. The motor spun. The gearbox reduced speed. The differential split torque, and the axles turned the wheels. All of this without a single piston, explosion, or drop of oil. Just pure, silent electric motion every time you drive.